What's up, guys? Welcome to the Factory Financial. My name is JD Nevels, and on this channel we cover three things: real estate investments, personal finances, and number three is my favorite is passive income through dividends and stock market buys. So today I'm going to be covering top 10 yielding stocks on the TSX, which is Toronto Stock Exchange. And without any further ado, here's number 10.
Number 10, Great West Life Company, ticker symbol GWO. Current price when I checked last was $29.75. Sector is financial services and industry is insurance. Company size is about 24,000 employees, and a quick review of the company is the Great West Life Company is one of the three big Canadian life insurance firms, with just under half of the firm's profit come from Canada. Great West also operates in the US and the Europe. Key data is that PE ratio is 10.7, and Great West pay quarterly dividend of 43 cents, which comes to the EPS of $2.74. Currently they're yielding 5.98%. 5-year dividend growth is 6.08%. One year dividend growth is 6.05, and 1 year total return is negative 8.82. Number 9, Power Corporation of Canada, ticker symbol POW, currently trading at $30.17. Power Corp was incorporated in 1925. Diversified holding company with interest in financial services, communication, and other business sectors through its controlling interest in Power Financial, IGM, and Pargesa, I don't know how to pronounce that. Also, they are the owner of one of my favorite trading platform, which is Wealthsimple. So they've been around block quite a few times. So the key data for them is that they're trading P ratio of 11.80. They pay quarterly dividend of 44 cents, which comes to the EPS of $2.52. Currently their dividend yield is 5.98. 5-year dividend growth is 7.90. One dividend year growth is 12.09, and 1 year total return is negative 1.41, which is not too shabby. Number 8, Bell Canada, ticker symbol BCE, currently trading at $54.88. They're a telecommunications service industry. They are employing about 52,000 employees. BCE is both a wireless and internet service provider, offering wireless, broadband, television, and landline phone services in Canada. Key data is PE ratio is 21.60, pays quarterly dividend of 87 cents, which comes to the EPS of 2.52, which makes no sense, and I checked a couple sources and they all quote the same thing. Currently their dividend yield stands at 6.10%. 5-year dividend growth stands at 5.07. 1 year dividend growth is 5.05, and 1 year total return is negative 7.17. Number 7, IGM Financial Inc., ticker symbol IGM, currently trading at $36.95. They're in financial sector service. Industries, asset management company, employs about 3,700 or 3,378 employees. IGM Financial is the largest non-banking affiliated asset manager in Canada. According to the Globe and Mail, the firm is part of the Power Financial group of companies, which includes Great West Life, London Life, Canada Life, and Puntum Investments. IGM has two main operation divisions, Investor Group and Mackenzie Financial. They have a lot of money in assets, which is 173.2 billion. Key data for them, PE ratio is 11.60. They pay quarterly dividend of 56 cents, which comes to the EPS of 3.05. Currently their dividend yield stands at 6.45. 5-year dividend growth is 0.00. 1 year dividend growth is 0.00. 1 year total return stands at minus or negative 1.76. Number 6, Russell Metals, ticker symbol RUS, currently trading at $24.27. description of the company is that Russell Metals is the Canada-based metal distribution company. The company products business primarily through the three metal distribution segments: metals, services, and energy products, and steel distribution. Sorry about that. One of their key, or not one of them, the key data for Russell Metals is P ratio stands at 56. They pay quarterly dividend of 0.38, and their EPS is 0.42, which makes no sense, but I double checked that too. So I assume that the high dividend yield of 6.48% that they're currently having is got something to do with that dividend of 0.38. 5-year dividend growth stands also at 0.0%. 1-year dividend growth stands also at 0.00%. And 1-year total return, actually the only positive one of the list, is 18.42. So they did bring some cash in. Number 5. Gibson Energy, ticker symbol GEI, currently trading at $20.87. Their industry, and they're in gas and oil business. They're employing about 500 people, and their key data is PE ratio is 20.70. They pay monthly dividend. I do believe they pay monthly dividend, 34 cents, which comes to the EPS of 0.98 cents. Current dividend yield stands at 6.82%. 5-year dividend growth is 1.22. 1-year dividend growth is 3.03, and 1-year total return is negative 19.38. Number 4, Pembina Pipeline, ticker symbol PPL, currently trading at $34.41. They're in the industry of oil and gas. They're energy industry, and the company size is about 2,700 employees. Pembina Pipeline is integrated midstream energy infrastructure company in Western Canada and North Dakota, and their pipeline network. Key data for Pembina is PE of 21. Monthly dividend is 21 cents, which comes to the EPS of $1.61. Current dividend yield stands at whopping 7.43%, and 5-year dividend growth is 6.7%. 1-year dividend growth is 5.88, and 1-year total return is negative 27.69%. Number 3, Enbridge, ticker symbol EMB, currently trading at $44.66. The company is in energy, oil and gas producing business, also utility, and they employ about 11,300 employees. They're in, like I said, energy generation, distribution, and transportation company in the US and Canada. Key data is a PE ratio of 44.90. They pay quarterly dividend of 83 cents. Current dividend yield stands at 7.70. 5-year dividend growth is 11.74. 1-year dividend growth is 9.74, and 1-year total return is negative 13.33. Keyera, ticker symbol KEY, currently trading at $25.46. Sector is energy, oil, and gas. Company has just a little bit over 1,000 employees, and they're a midstream energy business in Western Canada. Key data is PE ratio 32.7%, pays monthly dividend of 16%, which comes to the EPS of 0.75 cents. Current dividend yield is 7.78%. 5-year dividend growth is 6.03%. 1-year dividend growth is 3.23%, and 1-year total return is negative 22.64. And number 1, Brookfield Property Partners, ticker symbol BPY.UN, currently trading for $21.97. And if you know anything about a Brookfield, they're an umbrella company, and they own lots of properties in North America, Europe, Australia, and Brazil. They own some office, retails, investment space, corporate segments. They own pretty much everything. Key ratio or key data is PE ratio is negative 15.10, pays quarterly dividend of $33 US. Current dividend yield is $7.89, so they're bleeding a lot of money. 5-year dividend growth is 5.36, 1-year dividend growth is 0.73, and 1-year total return is negative 1.58.